Dear viewers, you are watching LMR channel and I am Malik Akil. Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Dear viewers, today I am going to explain how the YouTube algorithm promote your channel, how the YouTube algorithm promote your videos, on which intelligence system YouTube algorithm promote your channel and videos. Before making you understand this concept, I will explain 2 points. And what are those 2 points? First one is natural intelligence, and the second one is artificial intelligence. What is natural intelligence? Natural intelligence is God gifted. On the base of this intelligence, we perform the daily routine task. And what is the artificial intelligence? If we look on the other hand side of this, computer is a device. And what does this device work according to the instruction those have been provided by us. This device does not perform anything on behalf of itself. It does the routine task, it does any task according to the instruction those have been provided by us. This is artificial intelligence. Actually, we have implemented artificial intelligence in this system, and on behalf of this device perform the routine task. Reverse YouTube algorithm follow this concept of artificial intelligence. Now the question is how the YouTube algorithm promote your channel and how the YouTube algorithm promote your video. Viewers, suppose I am sitting here and you people are sitting in another location of this world, and suppose for example, I want to purchase some item, or you people want to purchase some item. Two things will be arised in your mind. First one is from where I can get quality item, and the second is where this item is easily accessible. These two things will be arised in any person who want to purchase any item. Even if I want to purchase any item, two things will be arised, and first is quality and the second is easily accessible. Dear viewers, these are two major and important point: quality and easily accessible. YouTube algorithm follow these 2 points. But how? Now I will explain. Now I will tell you how the YouTube algorithm detect the quality of video, and how the YouTube algorithm promote that video that is easily accessible. Now I am going to explain this concept. First, before 2012, YouTube algorithm refined the quality of video on the basis of view count. A video whose views count is higher is considered to be more quality video than a video whose view count is less. 2016, YouTube changed this policy of view count. In 2016, then video of quality is determined by combining the view count and retention of the viewers. How much time a viewer, how much time a user spent his time on this video. So YouTube algorithm combined this concept in 2016. Then in 2018, this policy was also changed and monetization policy was brought. YouTube also announces that he has implemented the artificial intelligence in its algorithm. Now YouTube follow the artificial intelligence concept that I have explained earlier. Now the question is how we should promote our video, how we should promote our channel. YouTube algorithm implementation of artificial intelligence system, YouTube is following four major points. First one is what the people watch or not watch. Then the second point is velocity of velocity or growth of the video, and the second is the third is sorry the third is time or retention of the viewers, and the fourth and the last point that the YouTube algorithm has told us that he also considered the like, dislike, and comment of the viewers. These are the 4 points which the YouTube algorithm is follow. On the basis of these 4 points, YouTube algorithm promote any video. On the basis of these 4 points, YouTube algorithm promote any video or channel. Now the question is how we can implement these 4 concepts in our video or a channel. The first point, that is what the people watch or not watch. In this point I will tell you about, there are 3 points. There are three major points those we should consider. The first is title, and the second is description, and the third is tag. YouTube algorithm basically search any video on the basis of the title. He searches from the title. If the title is not found, then he look into the description of the video. And finally, in the third stage, YouTube algorithm searches the video on the basis of tag. Now, what procedure we should follow during the writing the title of the video? Dear viewers, you can look on this screen. You can give a strong title by this method. Open the YouTube Studio, search YouTube search page. Right here the topic on which you are making the video. You will find a list of video. Dear viewers, pick here that title which is under the growth stage. One video that has exceeds its limit, one video that has meet its video, do not pick that title. Pick the title of that video which is still rising up. So pick here from the title, pick here a title and put it into your video. And the second point, in title you can give two hashtag. From where you will get the hashtag? Open a Google, right here in a Google search page, right here the hashtag of your topic. Second point is description of the video. Here you can explain your video as you can. You can also put some titles those have been found on the YouTube search page. You can put here the 3 or 4 title of any video that is moving up in description. The third and the finally stage is tag. Dear viewer, this is inverse of above 2 points. It is inverse of description and the title. What tag will be given in your video? Dear viewers, you can also consider a viral video. You can also see a videos related to your topic. Those have meet its limit. You can easily search the tag of those videos, and this method is also displayed on this screen. From here you can pick the tag of the video and put it in your video. So this is 3 point. If you follow these 3 points, automatically your video will be floated to the different people and the people will be able to watch this video. So this is the first point, and the second point is retention of the viewer. This concept is basically related to your ability or capability of, it depends upon your ability or capability, how much you can retain a viewer on your. Retention is basically related to oh, your ability. You can retain or engage the viewers on your video maximum time by putting the visuals in your video or putting the good back screen on your video. So it depend upon your ability or capability. The third point is related to velocity of growth. This is basically, we were third, and the fourth point is interlinked. Third point is velocity of growth, and the fourth point is like, dislike or comment of the viewers. These 2 points are interlinked. On the basis of this, the people like or dislike the video, people put the comment. On the basis of this, YouTube algorithm promotes its promote any video, promote any channel, so the velocity of growth is increasing. If the YouTube algorithm find any negative YouTube algorithm find any negativity during this procedure, it start decreasing its view velocity. It start decreasing its view growth. So this is all about the four concept. Dear viewers, if we follow these four concept, I hope our video or our channel will be promoted. On behalf of my analysis, if we want to increase a view growth or velocity, a view velocity of video, we can easily run our channel. We can run easily our videos from the different location of the world. By following this procedure, view velocity or view video growth will be increased. Dear viewers, this is all about the video or the channel promotion. Please comment on my video how was it. See you with the next bombastic video. Pakistan Zindabad.